Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Dachser Shipping Connector in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application integrates Dachser logistics services directly into the Odoo, automating shipping tracking, label generation, and order management. This module simplifies shipping operation by providing real-time tracking and seamless rate management. Business can streamline their logistic process, reduce manual effort, and enhance customer satisfaction with accurate delivery updates, all within the Odoo platform. First of all, we will go into the sales module. Under configuration, we will go into the settings. Now, in here, under shipping, you will find a checkbox for Dachser connector. Enable that and save it. Here it is enabled, click on save. Now again under configuration you will find a menu for delivery methods. Open that and here you will find a delivery method name Dachser. Now under Dachser configuration you need to add your credentials like customer ID, Dachser API URL, API token. The language you can select as you want. I have selected English. You can select the branch. You can add your tracking URL, your Dachser division. I have selected European Logistic. You can add your product code and European term of delivery. After all of this, save it. Now, we will go into the quotation and we will create a new quotation. Add a customer. I will be selecting Deco Addict as my customer. And for the product, I will be selecting chair floor protection. Now save this. Now you will find a add shipping button. Click on that and select your shipping method as Dachser. Here you can see the order total weight is updated. Now you need to just click on get rate button. Here after clicking on get rate button you can see the cost is updated. Now click on add. Here you can see in order line a Dachser shipping is updated. After this, click on confirm and you can see a delivery is created. Open that delivery and here you can see the delivery number. After that, if you go into the additional info, you can see the carrier is also selected as Dachser. Now, we will just validate the delivery. Click on disable SMS and you can see your delivery is in done state. Now we will go into the additional info and you can see a tracking reference number is generated. In here also you can see the tracking number and also the cost. Here you can find a shipment label. Here you can see all the detail of your shipment label. Now after all of this, we will go into the website and we will go into the shop. Add customizable desk into your cart and click on proceed to checkout. Here you can see that cabinet with doors is in your cart. Click on checkout, select Dachser delivery method, click on that and you can see the cost. Click on confirm and select your payment method as wire transfer. Click on pay now. Here you can see your payment is being finalized. Here you can see a thank you page will appear with all your payment information. After this, we will go into the sale order and we can see a sale order is created for our transaction we just created right now. Here you can see all little details in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.